Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the angel Cookie from Cookie Run Kingdom. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We'll start off by drawing 2 large circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside each one. Then inside each one on the bottom right, let's draw an oval. And that's it for the eyes. Now in the middle, let's draw a curve down and up for the mouth. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down and in. And connect it with a curve across. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top of each side and let's draw a circular curve down and up, leaving it open at the top. Now let's hop in and let's start near the center and let's draw a large curve over to the left and back up. Then at the bottom, let's draw a slightly smaller curve across. And then one more smaller one over to the right side. And let's do the same thing on top. Let's draw a medium shaped curve across. And then a smaller one across to the right side. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the swirl pattern on the hair. Inside on the left, let's draw a large swirl around. Then another one in the middle section. And one more smaller one on the right. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's leave a small gap and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the sides of the dress. And then let's curve it in, leaving a gap in the center. Now in the middle, let's draw a line down. Then let's hop out and let's draw another set of lines down. And close off the bottom of each one with a curve. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the pattern on the dress. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve down and up on both sides. And then another curve down and up to the sides of the dress. Then underneath, let's draw 4 curves across underneath each one. And then lastly on top, let's draw 3 circles. And that's it for the dress. Now before we add the arms, let's draw the wand. Let's start next to the head on the left here, and let's draw an angle in and back down like this. Now let's do the same thing on the left and on the right. And then 2 more to form the shape of a star. Now inside each of the points, let's draw a V shape up to draw a star inside. And then let's hop out, and at the end of each of the points, let's add a small circle. And that's it for the top of the wand. Now for the stick part, let's start underneath, and we're going to draw 2 angles down and in to the side of the dress. Now that we're done the wand, we can hop back in and draw the arms. Let's start under the head on the left, and let's draw a curve across. And then continue it down and back in on the other side of the wand. And again, on the other side, let's curve it in. And then for the right arm, let's draw a large curve out and back in the same way. Now we're done the body. Lastly, we're going to draw the wings. Let's start on the right side of the head, and let's draw a large curve down and out. Now let's do the same thing on the left, but we're going to bring it across to the wand and curve it down on the other side. Then at the bottom, let's curve it back up. And then on each side, let's add 3 bumps, bringing it all the way back in. And that's it for the angel cookie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!